Hi guys, how's your day? Paper cutting craft with Goodman here, and today is a great day to make something colorful. If you are agreed with me, keep watching guys. We all know we grow up with Disney interpretation of classic fairy tales. Then the live-action version was born, and those bedtime stories become real more than ever. But Maleficent is different. I must say, that's the first live action in which the main character is not a princess. Actually, the Sleeping Beauty Aurora, she sleeps too old 100 years. So maybe focusing on the villain is the smart move. And I don't have to say how good it is. The movie is a big hit. And that story inspired making gorgeous paper cutting templates for you guys. Today, we present you how to make a magnificent color Maleficent paper cut light bulb. Let's get started. First, you need a printer, a knife, or a Cricut machine, A4 size color paper, about 160 to 250 GSM of color purple, brown, yellow, white, red, and orange. Foam board, a shadow box frame 22 by 28 cm, depth at least 8 cm, glass panel or mica, and the last one is a double-sided tape. You can purchase the template on our site lightbulbgoodman.com, and don't forget to apply BOGO code at checkout to get one more free. In our file, we already arranged layers in order. All you have to do is printing, cutting, and assembling in that order. The layers are reassembled with foam spacers in between each one. This gives the image the appearance of depth and creates a 3D effect. I cut out the foam spacers. They are all 1 cm wide. There should be 4 spacers on each layer. Then I glued the layers together. I'm going to glue spacers around the edges of the first layer and then glue the next layer on top of it. Make sure the layers are properly lined up. Repeat this process until all the layers are glued together. You can put the mica into the box and then push the cardstock and foam core layers into the light box until they touch the glass. Don't forget to clean the glass from the inside, because you won't be able to remove the layers without ruining them. Finally, this is a finished box. I love the 3D effect and all the colored layers as well. What do you think about this? Please leave your comment at the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.